we're going to be testing your blood pressure as well as doing skin fold measurements to get a better idea of your body fat percentage. We'll also do a waist measurement. The waist to hip ratio can give us more insight just about your disease risk and overall health. So this is going to give us a better understanding of your heart health and your body fat composition and just disease risk, okay? So we'll start with the blood pressure. If you want to stay seated as you are, if you could bring your arm out, rotate upwards like this. Make sure your legs are uncrossed. Do you know what your blood pressure usually is?
It's been a while, probably 120/70, around there.
You could keep this in your hand for me. I'm going to start by finding your brachial artery here so I can get a sense of where your pulse is. Perfect. And before I measure your blood pressure, I'll do a quick test here. If you could zoom in on the dial, please. Okay. I'll do that one more time. If you could keep zoomed in on the dial. Okay, perfect. Now we'll go ahead and check your blood pressure. You can stay relaxed. At about 130/65. Alright, great. Then if you could stand up for me, we'll do the skin fold test next. So we'll do 3 different areas, starting with your triceps first. So I'm going to mark out the midway point. If you could turn around and face the other way. I'm going to roll your sleeve up. And then I'm just measuring to find the midway point. That will be the area we are measuring. Perfect. All right, so there will be a little bit of a pinch here. So I apologize, but I will try to make it as comfortable as possible for you. And if you could also zoom in for some of these, please. Looks like we are at about 30. Perfect, thank you. And then next, if you could turn and face me. Also on your right side, if you can find the top of your hip bone, your acromion, or your iliac crest, yep. It's right there. All right, so I'll mark this, you can look up. And then if you can pull your shirt up slightly, going right above here. And here we are at about 33. Thank you. And then lastly, you can sit down here. So I was doing the measurement on the right thigh. So again, I'll use the measuring tape to make sure we find the halfway mark. All right, and then can you bring your leg out a little bit more? Perfect. And we are at about 29 here. Okay, so that was all for that. The last measurements we're doing are your waist and hip measurements. So if you can stand up, I'll start by wrapping the tape measure around at your belly button or the narrowest part of your waist. And then if you could take a big breath in, exhale, relax. We are at 38 3/4. And then you can stay where you are, and I'm going to measure at your hips. You're at 42 and a half. Okay, that was all of the testing for today. Thank you so much for participating.